Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, Pune's roads are completely deserted. That is because today is 22nd March and it's basically the Janta curfew. I am heading out because I have some work near Court Road. And I think it's going to be a fun ride because there's no one on the road. Except for the fucking speed breakers apparently. That's okay. Traffic. This is amazing. I have never seen the roads be this empty, even at 4 in the morning. Will the police stop me? Maybe not. They don't give a fuck. Fucking dogs, I swear. Okay, here comes SB Road. So I'm heading back to Aundh right now, and holy shit, the roads are empty. Oh god, I love this so much. FC Road is going to be empty, and I've always wanted to kind of see how fast I can go on there. Probably not the best idea, but still. there's police here now. Can't really go fast. Honestly, the reason for this one-day curfew is kind of illogical, I could say. Because like the virus isn't gonna just go away in one day. We're gonna need a much bigger quarantine than this. But like this one-day quarantine is already driving people crazy. I don't know how they're gonna react to like a month lockdown or something. Let's just hope it doesn't come to that. But like looking at how it's spread throughout the world, we're currently on like week 3 of getting infected, and Italy was much more infected by this time. So I guess India is holding up quite well. Let's just hope we can continue this. Like 7 deaths so far is still a lot less compared to the other countries. Like during week 3, Italy was at around 80 or 90 deaths because of the virus. And I mean, Italy is rated number 2 in the best healthcare in the world. India is like down at 140 or something. Compared to that, we're doing pretty well. But then when it actually starts infecting more people, I don't know how India's gonna hold up. Also, going out on a ride is like the best self-isolation you can do. Just don't stop anywhere, don't meet anyone, just you and your bike, out on the road. I wanted to do this for so long, but there's always traffic on Pune's roads. Like you can get out at 3 or 4 in the morning and there's still going to be traffic, so this is kind of like a really good time to ride. I'm not suggesting anyone else goes out and rides right now because that's not really the best idea, but then I'm not stopping anywhere. I'm not really endangering myself or anyone else, so I guess it's fine. And this is fun. All the roads to yourself, barely anyone on them. Please don't be. Okay, I'm just gonna sign off for now. This has been risky enough already. I'll see you guys in the next video.